Hello and welcome to a video about Chrome extensions. As you can see, I have my Chrome browser open. So up here where you see my mouse moving along, those are actually Chrome extensions. So each of those extensions adds a functioning to my Chrome browser, thus making them Chrome extensions. For example, this one right here says Google Docs Quick Create. If I click on that while I'm in my Chrome browser, notice I can quickly create any one of those Google Docs. Another example over here, I have a print friendly. If I click on that, it allows me to delete information that I may not want to print, such as pictures or things like that. So it becomes print friendly. All right. Now, how do we get Chrome extensions into our Chrome browser? I'm going to go ahead and click on those three dots. You'll see more tools and extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. These are all my extensions I have right now. Notice if I get to the bottom, I can say get more extensions, which will take me to the Chrome Web Store. Notice in here I can look for extensions, themes, apps, and games. So I can come over here and I can say, okay, what would I like to search for? So maybe I want a calculator. So I go ahead and click on that. Notice when the search comes up, there's extensions, themes, and apps. We'll get to apps in the next module. So for right now, we're just going to focus on extensions. So notice this one says that it's added to my Chrome browser. So let's go ahead and still I'm going to click on that though, because even though it's not the highest rated, it's had the most people rated. So if I open it up, you can see I get an overview of it. Reviews, what people have said about it, what support it has, what's related, and then notice I could add that to Chrome. So let me just pick another one here. I'll say add to Chrome. I'll say, and because what this is doing, there may be permissions or things I need to agree to, so I just say add extension. Now it's letting me know that it's been added to my Chrome. It says I need to click on it to use it. And also I can manage it like I told you by clicking on, more tools and then extensions. All right, so let's do that. Let's click on the three dots, more tools and extensions. So what you'll see now as I go down through here, these are all my extensions. And notice I can enable those or disable those. So if I disable it, it'll still be there. I just won't be able to use it. So I'd have to enable it. And then if I wanted to completely get rid of it, I would just go ahead and click on remove from Chrome. So if I say remove from Chrome, it allows me to remove it and it's gone. Notice it has some other things like allow incognito. You can have an incognito screen by clicking on the three dots saying new incognito window. So if I allow that to function in an incognito window, then that would show up. The new incognito window looks like this, and it doesn't keep the crumb trail on you as you're going through using the incognito. Notice I don't have any extensions up here. That's because I have not given them any of them permission to be in there. Okay, so again, that's where I can remove them, enable, disable, and also get to my Chrome Web Store. You can also get to the Chrome Web Store if you need to by clicking on, searching for Chrome Web Store. It'll come up, it's on the internet. You can get to it right there, no worries, and search the same way. Okay, so there's different ways you can get to that Chrome Web Store. But again, that's how you can get those Chrome extensions. Remember, they're adding functioning to your Chrome browser and they're located up here. Okay, so I'm just going to, one more thing I want to say. Notice, for example, here's a symbol for Pandora. It's called the Pandora Listener. Notice it's grayed out. I don't tell that extension to work. If I open up my Pandora Radio, what it does is when the message pops up saying, are you still listening? It automatically does it for me. So again, some of the extensions stay in the forefront where you can see them in color here, or they stay in the background and work. Just depends on the extension. Okay, so again, remember a Chrome extension adds functioning to your Chrome browser.